In this question, we have to find area of largest rectangle with lower base on x-axis and upper vertices on the given curve y equal 12 minus x square. So it is the given curve. The given curve is a parabola concave downward, and we have to draw figure of a rectangle with lower base on x-axis and upper vertices on the given curve y equal to 12 minus x square. So we'll name this rectangle as ABCD, and this point is as origin and this point is P point. This is the curve y equal 12 minus x square. So let point A can be taken as alpha comma 12 minus alpha square. In order to find area of rectangle ABCD, we double the area of APOD. What's the area of rectangle APOD? Because of A has coordinate alpha comma 12 minus alpha square, area of APOD can be written as alpha into 12 minus alpha square. So we can write 2 12 alpha minus alpha cube. This is the area of rectangle ABCD, 2 times multiplied with 2 times of 12 alpha minus alpha cube. Let's name this as F alpha. Area of rectangle ABCD named as F alpha. In order to maximize this, we use for maximize minimize for extreme value. For extreme value, we are using concept of maxima minima, and we are having df upon d alpha as 0. By this we can write 2 12 minus 3 alpha square equals 0. So this gives us value positive or negative 2. We can see that since d2f by d alpha 2 as 2 times minus 6 alpha, therefore at alpha equal plus 2, d2f by d alpha 2 has negative value. That's why we can say that at alpha equal to we are having maxima, a point of local maxima.
के एलिमेंट फर्स्ट रुके, इसको क्या लिख दूं, a11 m11 माइनस a12 m12 प्लस a13 m13. तुम बोलोगे ये क्या आफत आ गई, ये माइनर के फॉर्मेट में देखो. c11 क्या होगा, i और j11 है तो क्या होगा m11. c12 क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. c12 क्या होगा माइनस ऑफ m12 और c13 क्या आएगा m13. आया ना ऐसा. Cij क्या है, ऐसा. आपको इतना से याद रखना है, कोई भी रो के एलिमेंट उठाओ उसको करस्पॉन्डिंग कोफैक्टर्स के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन का सम करने पर जो वैल्यू आता है वही डिटरमिनेंट का